इस वक्त हम खड़े हैं डीप कोव में, वैंकूवर के नॉर्थ साइड में, और ये जगह दुनिया की सबसे महंगी जगह है जहाँ पर बड़े बड़े हॉलीवुड के स्टार्स के घर हैं। ये भी हम आपको यहाँ की सैर करवाएं। और ये है सी लाइफ, कोरल्स एंड रीफ्स, और चट्टानों के बीच में शंखबिल, कई किस्म के एनिमल्स हैं। वो नीचे मेरे को एक वो क्रैब भी दिख रहा है। इनके बीच सीपियाँ और शंख हैं। इसके अंदर कई किस्म के छोटे छोटे क्रिएचर्स हैं। सारी की सारी यहाँ पानी जो है यहाँ इनके ऊपर तक आ जाता है और फिर नीचे उतर जाता है। ये है डीप कोव in North Vancouver, a beautiful place, दुनिया की सबसे महंगी जगह जहाँ मेरे पीछे हॉलीवुड स्टार्स के घर हैं। ये है डीप कोव। You have made my video lively. Thank you very much. You have made my video lively. Thank you very much.
You're welcome to stay on. Do that for free.
It is a little YouTube channel.
No. Seriously?
Yes.
No. He's got a YouTube channel.
Not live streaming yet.
You're joking, right?
I am serious.
Well, then I'd like to get there.
My name is Harjeet Chaudhary. I have a small channel on YouTube.
Well, I'd like to get paid a, what's the word? How did you do this? It's going on YouTube. Oh, how
Not
nice.
yet going.
Oh, you were just joking with me.
Not joking. It is not being live streamed yet.
Careful.
That I meant.
I just might throw you in the water.
That I meant.
Hi.
Thank you.
There's no explanations. I've got things I tend to moan. In these times, just please be patient. Be my shore, you be my home. Drag this out and build us up again. Put things right and let me go. No way of knowing if there's still time. Look away. What's really going on?
Hello. Can you please tell me what are the actually rates for half an hour and 1 hour of kayaking?
We only do a minimum of 2.
Minimum for 2 hours.
Yeah, minimum of 2. So our rates start from there. I can give you a little sheet if you like. We also, all of our rates are on one of the boards outside.
Okay.
But just here, just the top chart there.
What is the minimum charges?
So for
You-
2 hours for a
for 2
single
hours.
kayak, it's $51.40.
$51 for 2 hours.
Yeah, for a single kayak, and then for a
Okay.
double, it's $78.78.
Okay, $78 for doubles. Okay, now it is evening. Next time we'll come, then we'll surely. Thank you very much.
Look away, you just look away. Why would you say things ain't right? Would you tell me, can't you say? Please just talk to me if things ain't fine.
और अब शाम हो चली है, सूरज ढल रहा है, पहाड़ों पर सामने बादल उतर आए हैं, ठंड बढ़ रही है और वक्त है डीप कोव को गुड बाय कहने का। अब हम आपसे मिलते हैं अगले व्लॉग में। थैंक यू।